taps the glass in a steady tune. Gray clouds hang like an old balloon. Puddles form where the sidewalk bends. Rainy Tuesday begins again. Oh, it's a rainy Tuesday. Sky's too tired to shine today. Drip drops whisper the time away on this quiet, rainy Tuesday. Umbrella armies march the street. Boots splash rhythms where echoes meet. Dreams get lost in the soggy air. Rainy Tuesday, you're everywhere. Street lights hum in a watery glow. Cars crawl slow like they already know that this day don't hurry, it just sways. Rainy Tuesdays soaks my ways. Oh, it's a rainy Tuesday. Sky's too tired to shine today. Drip drops whisper the time away on this quiet, rainy Tuesday. Windows fall from the warm inside. Coffee steams as I hear the tide of rain that drowns the city song. Rainy Tuesday.